This week, we bring you the Pi Girl 2 Raspberry Pi game console, designed by Adafruit. Adafruit's Pi Girl 2 Raspberry Pi game console is based on the design of Nintendo's Game Boy. This is an improved version of the Pi Girl Raspberry Pi Game Boy design. As the name suggests, the console uses the Raspberry Pi Linux computer. The Nintendo Game Boy was an 8-bit gaming console. An 8-bit emulator is run on the Raspberry Pi to enable it to run the vintage games of the Nintendo Game Boy. Adafruit has considerably modified the controls by using a custom gamepad. The original Pi Girl concept has been improved with more buttons for controlling games and controls for the TFT screen as well. An audio amplifier and a speaker have been included in the design. The case is 3D printed. The rest of the parts are assembled and soldered together for completion of the project. The Nintendo Game Boy was a fourth-generation gaming device launched in 1989. Despite there being similar handheld gaming devices, more than 1 million units were sold within the first few weeks of its launch. A total of 1,047 games were released for the Game Boy video game system. Tetris and Super Mario Land are some of the famous games associated with the Game Boy. Choose to print this and play retro games. Happy printing!